Trendlines are another form of support and resistance and can be a great way to represent market direction on your charts, whether it be up or down. And it can also give you an early signal to market structure change. And lastly, are an excellent confluence to horizontal levels. As we can see here, we have bearish market structure signified by our high, low, lower high, and lower low. Now, in order to draw our trend line, we'll simply go to our tools here, select trend line, and be sure that our magnet tool is on. Unlike horizontals that we drew from open and close, in this case we'll draw from our wicks, here being the high, and connect it to our lower high, giving us our resistance trend line. As you can see, we have 1, 2 touches. It's actually the third touch that confirms the trend line and is usually the one that you want to take a trade off of. So we can expect price to do something like this, especially because we have an untapped weekly level that coincides with this downtrend as well, making this area a massive resistance and a potential short opportunity. That'll give us our lower high and potentially a lower low. And as I said, trend lines can give you an early signal to market structure change, and that would look something like this. As you can see, the bearish market structure is still intact here. However, we've broken above the trend line. This can give us a potential long setup that would look something like this, giving us bullish market structure, making our low, high, higher low, and higher high, giving us market structure change.